Top 5 facts about dog. Fact number 1. Dogs are domesticated mammals that belong to the Canidae family. They are descended from wolves and were first domesticated around 15,000 years ago. Fact number 2. Dogs are incredibly social animals and have evolved to live in packs. They are known for their loyalty and affection towards their owners and other members of their pack. Fact number 3. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell and are used for a variety of jobs, including search and rescue, hunting, and detecting drugs and explosives. Fact number 4. There are over 300 different breeds of dogs, each with its own unique characteristics and traits. Some popular breeds include Labrador Retrievers, German Shepherds, and Golden Retrievers. Fact number 5. Dogs require regular exercise and mental stimulation to stay healthy and happy. They are often referred to as man's best friend because of their companionship and ability to provide emotional support.